We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Worldlawn 32-inch belt-driven walk-behind mower. This mower has a 32-inch fabricated floating deck. It is belt-driven. We have your 10.5 horsepower Briggs Stratton engine, battery, as well as your 2-gallon fuel tank. Controls. This is a 3-speed forward transmission mower. Has the recoil start. Your cutting heights are going to be between 1.5 and 4 inches. Your cutting heights are going to be between 1.5 and 4 inches. Has your rubber chute. Once again, this is Worldlawn's 32-inch belt-driven walk-behind mower. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handhelds and can make you a great package deal.